Hey, how we doing, everybody? OPD here. It's another beautiful day in the Cheese Moon Workshop. In this little video, I'm going to show the Jet-Aer Buck 119 clone, made in Japan. Jet-Aer is a great knife. Japanese make some pretty decent knives back in the day. I'm going to be showing up here photos of before. I showed this knife a couple months ago when I got it over at People's Pawn, and it was very scarred up, and the pictures that I'm going to post up there should be posted up there now by now, and you get a good idea of how scarred up it was. And I came home from work today and I got rid of all those scars. Now the light's a little harsh, but I think you can clearly see that she's pretty much back to factory finish. Now I still need to redo the edge because they had the edge puckered up a little bit, but there are still some minor, see if I can catch the light just right. There's still a couple minor blemishes right there that are in a spot that if I try to grind them out, I'm gonna, the blade thins out right there, and I'm worried about overheating the blade. But this side, the scars were here, real heavy. There's one little pit right in front of my finger right there, and a little pit right there that are barely noticeable. Other than that, she's good as new. And I've been doing a lot of sanding and buffing and everything, so now I need to clean it. There's smooth the handle out a little bit more. But that was my project for this afternoon after work. It took me about, I don't know, half hour, 45 minutes to get rid of all that damage that was on the blade. Super happy with it. Great addition to my collection. So until I see you all again, please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, but above all, have a beautiful day.